Hey, what's up? It's Ike Paz, and I'm really excited to talk to you today because Halloween is coming up in about a month and a half from now. Now, why is it important? If you're selling on Etsy, Amazon, KDP, and you have a seasonal specific type of digital product that you want to sell, you want to do it about a month and a half or a month away from when those sales start to pick up. Okay, so right now, it's September 13th, 14th, depending where you are. I'm in Japan, and I'm gonna start publishing my Halloween. This goes for Christmas or Valentine's Day or 4th of July or Easter, all those other types of holidays out there. But right now I'm about to start uploading my Halloween related products onto my different platforms, okay? Now these include bundles, printable bundles, KDP books, okay? Now, what does this entail? It doesn't matter what you think is a good idea. This is very important for you to understand. I want you to solidify this in your brain. You need to create products that people are actually searching for, okay? So think of, for example, printable games. You want Halloween printable games? That's okay, but we can do better than that. Jack-o'-lantern printable Halloween games. That's a better niche, right? You can niche it down, and you can think of different types of Halloween-related characters and make themes around those types of characters. Sorry, make games around those types of themes. So Frankenstein's, monsters, Halloween baby shower, not Halloween baby shower game set. That's another one, right? It can be baby showers within the Halloween season, or it could be other types of events within the Halloween season. And you can use those as your springboard to these different types of searches that people are making on these different platforms such as Amazon KDP, Etsy, Teachers Pay Teachers, or on Pinterest. That's a great place to get buyer traffic because people on Pinterest usually are out to buy something, even though Pinterest itself is not an e-com site. It's a very interesting phenomenon with Pinterest. But yes, now is the time, okay? Now at the time making this video, I'm also, not only am I making my own Halloween printable game sets, within different sub-niches of the Halloween market. Remember, Halloween's not a niche, it's a market, okay? You wanna drill down and get those sub-niches, okay? Anyways, at the same time of this, I'm about to release my brand new printable generator into Crispy Prints that will create Halloween type of games, actually 12 different types of Halloween games that you can actually attach your own theme to and sell it as your own product. I have more information about that down below, but as for right now, make sure whatever season it is, whenever you're watching this in the future, make sure if your product is seasonal, you want to sell it about a month, or so not sell it, but publish it about a month and a half. Now, why do you want it a month or a month and a half before the actual season? Why? Because that's when you're giving time for the algorithm, depending on what third-party platform you're using, you're giving the algorithm time to pick up and to test your listing against other listings. Now, notice the language I'm using. The algorithm is not only ranking your product, it's gonna test your product against other products. This is a very important concept that I don't hear other people online talking about. Okay, the algorithm is not just going to pull up your listing and put at the top. No, it's going to test it against other similar products. And if your product gets more clicks, gets more conversions, more buys, more customers, then they're going to reward your listing with higher rankings, okay? It's not that they're just going to pull your niche out of nowhere, pull your listing out of nowhere and put it at the top of your niche. No, it's going to test against other related products. So what does that inform you to do? Well, you should be creating products that are better or add more value than what's already on those different platforms. So if you go on Etsy and you put in Jack-o'-lantern Halloween printable games, and you find that there's like 3 other listings there with this niche, and you can see that they're already selling. You see stars, you see customer reviews, and you see, let's say, most of these game sets have only 6 games, then you're gonna add 12 games, okay? And if you only want to add 12 games, then add different types of elements. Make the theming more Halloween related. You might want to pretty up or plus it, like Walt Disney used to say, plus the theming so that it entices more customers, so that it outperforms what's already on these different platforms, so that in turn Etsy gives you those rankings, gives you that buyer traffic and this of course will lead to more sales. And of course, when you're adding more products in the future, Etsy will trust your account, your shop. And it's not only Etsy, but Amazon and whatever third-party platform you can even think of, or Pinterest for that matter. If you're using pins to direct traffic to your private e-com site, these different platforms are going to reward your accounts, your shops, if you do get more clicks and outperform other shops, other accounts on the same platform. Very simple. Don't overcomplicate it. Do what's already working. Sell what's already selling. That's all I gotta tell you today, okay? So if you're interested about learning how to sell printables, make sure you check out the link below. And if you're looking for my Halloween printable generator within Crispy Prints, that's coming out shortly. If you're watching this in the near future, I'm sure it's already out. Okay, be good, take care, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.